Sabang is a free trade zone located within the jurisdiction of the Republic Indonesia, with separate forms of customs and tax regime that make this zone free from import duties, value-added tax, sales tax on luxury goods, and taxes. With a diverse demographic composition of 34,000 people, Sabang is supported by talented workforce. Supporting facilities, world-class seaports, Sabang is ready to become a regional tourism hub, as well as a leading free trade centres in Southeast Asia. The area has a total area of 394 kilometers squared, consisting of Sabang city and the district of Pulau Aceh. Sabang FTZ is one of our 4 free port and free trade zones in Indonesia. While access from the provincial capital, Banda Aceh, is served by ro-ro ferries and passenger speed ferries with international standard passenger port facilities. Sabang FTZ is located strategically at the entrance of the world's busiest shipping lanes, the Strait of Malacca, making it the best location for your business to access the global market due to its proximity to the 38 countries bordering the Indian Ocean, ASEAN and the Middle East. The maritime connectivity in Sabang is supported with a natural deep seaport with a depth of 22 meters, suitable for large cargo vessels and cruise ships. The beauty landscapes of the island has made Sabang one of the leading tourism destinations in Indonesia, hosting several national and international events in recent years. The management of Sabang FTZ is exercised by the Management Board of Free Trade Zone and Free Port of Sabang, BKPS, as the executing authority, which functions to help accelerate the growth of the Sabang FTZ to become one of the leading investment destinations in Indonesia. BKPS ensures the ease of doing business by providing simple and efficient services in the field of business licenses and permits for prospective investors. Sabang has become popular port of call for major cruise lines, with a total 192 ships visited the island from 2011 to 2019, and with total 739,333 of tourists' arrival in 2018. With all the advantages and conveniences, along with talented human resources and excellent infrastructures, Sabang FTZ is preparing to become a new global maritime hub for trade, tourism and investment. Sabang is open for business. Visit and invest in Sabang now.